Can you just talk to them once? How many of them are there? One. Okay, Sunshine is there?
Sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Why you are not here in class? I brought dairy milk for everyone.
Can you repeat that, sir?
He's asking, can you repeat that? If he's asking for dairy milk, he's asking you to repeat. Okay. So we'll start with this topic. Before this,
Hello, sir.
first, Sunshine, you're there, right?
Here, sir.
Okay, so did you try to stop? No, don't look at the example right now. That yesterday we did A union, B union, C union, three joint sets are there.
Yes, sir.
Someone give me mic here. I cannot hold it like this. Okay, so did you try to prove it? You guys also, I'm asking you guys also. See, the proof yesterday we saw, right? So did you try to repeat that? I'm asking that.
No, sir.
See, homework is also there. I asked you to repeat that. This derive again. The same thing. Do it now. Do it now. And don't look back. Sunshine, no cheating. Otherwise,
Okay,
no
sir.
dairy milk for you. Yesterday we had the proof, right? Huh? Sunshine,
sir.
I'm talking
Yes,
to you.
sir.
Yeah. So you prove that same method you prove. If you stuck, you let me know. I'll help you out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll just write down the formula again. Okay. So how do you write? Okay, who made this solve? Okay. See, we have three sets, three non-disjoint sets: A, B, and C. Fine. and we need to find A union B union C. Okay, that means what? That means you know this, right? We did yesterday. That means this complete portion. A union B union C, and the common portion we will take only once. All right. So this formula we derived. Okay, let's write number of elements n and A, number of elements in A. This is B and this is C. Plus NB plus NC minus NA what? Can you guys repeat? Can you guys tell me the formula? Tell me. A
Sir, can you tell, sir?
A intersection, right? A intersection.
A intersection B minus
Yes.
X into B intersection C
And A intersection C.
and A
plus-
intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C, sir.
Okay, good. Sorry, this is B intersection C plus and A intersection B intersection C.
C.
Okay, so this is what we yesterday we derived. We used a distributive law, right? So what is distributive law? Anyone? Okay. Kushal Babu, little louder, Kushal Babu. Okay, so distributive law. I'll just write it here again. Okay, distributive law. What is distributive law? Anyone? A intersection B union C. This. Then yeah, who will say the bracket? Huh? A intersection is this correct? Sunshine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This
Okay.
sir.
So it is also true for this. A union B intersection C. So this will be A union B intersection A union
C.
Okay. Great. So this law you have to follow and you have to derive this formula. Okay. See, anyway, I'll be deleting this. Okay, because we have to solve this problem. All right. I'll delete this all. Okay. Solve it. Yesterday we did. You are deriving, right? Hari. Sunshine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, derive it. Yesterday what we did, you derive it now. Do it from the beginning. Don't do that. Start with this. Start with this. Start with this. We have one more formula. Use this one. What is this? A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Why we are subtracting this? Why we are subtracting this? Yes, so biology. What thing? Tell me. Yes, common part is added twice. That's why we are subtracting once. Okay, you can prove this. I'll show you the proof. Like if this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, this is A and this is B. Fine. Look here, look here, look here, everyone. Look here first. See, the concept must be clear. So N A union B is what? N A union B. What is this from this Venn diagram? All the right, all the elements A, B, C, D, E, F. Fine. Now what is NA? A, B, C, D. Right? In A, these parts are there in A. Now NB, what is B? C, E, F. Right? If you add these two, C and D are coming twice. Right? And A intersection B. Hurry. What is an A intersection B?
Intersection B,
everyone.
sir.
Not you, Sunshine. I'll call you Sunshine. Hari is here.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. So what is this? C, D. Fine. Now see here, if you add NA and NB, you'll get CD twice. Fine. So you have to remove one CD. That's what we are doing there. If you see the formula. Got it? Yes or no? Goshal Babu. No? Okay. Again, you are obsessed with this thing, right? DAV, all cool. And DAV is always cool. Where's DAV girl? DAV girl is also there. She's not online also. What happened to her? She's fine?
Sir, I'm actually there.
Oh, you are here.
Yes, sir.
See? Okay, good. You have to respond, no? Okay, DAV. Okay, 5 participants are here. Hari is here. Shakti, your name is Shakti?
Yes, sir.
Lokita, okay, Lokita, yes. All right. Loki. Okay, Loki, where is Thor?
Sir, I don't know,
Okay.
sir.
All right, do the prove it. Start from here. Start from here. Now what you can do here, you can assume A union B or B union C as one set. Okay, like you can write this as N A union X. What is X? X is B union C. You just divide it in small parts. Okay, so that you can solve it properly. Now use this, and this, and solve that. You are not kid anymore. Okay, I don't have to hold your hands and teach you. Please don't do that. You are in 11th standard. Respect your class. Respect your standard. These are dialogues, which even I don't like. So why Lokita, right? Loki.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have problem in this substituting A union B union C as X?
No, sir.
You are fine with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone who is online, are you guys fine with it, or do you guys have any problem with it? All okay?
Yes, sir.
Sunshine, I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See, the thing is, when suppose we have a complicated equation, suppose you have to solve x to the power of 4 plus 1, or let's say x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's say you have to solve a problem like this. We don't know how to solve x to the power of 4. So what we can do, we can assume x square is equal to t. Fine. So this will become t square plus t plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. And whatever the answer we are getting, suppose we are getting value of t as plus or minus a. We know how to solve quadratic equation, right? We know to solve the quadratic equation, and we solved it. We are getting t is equal to plus minus a. Now we will substitute t is equal to x square. That means x square is equal to plus or minus a. Fine. So that's how we simplified our problem. Right? That was a step we followed to simplify our problem. Similarly, what we are doing here, since we don't know directly how to substitute it. Okay. So what we are doing, we are considering B union C as some other set. We can do that. So B union C, we are considering a different set, which is one set, one complete set. Like we are assuming B and C are only one set. Okay, that is X. That's what we are doing. And we know how to expand B union C, right? We know how to expand B
Yes,
union
sir.
C like this. So now is it clear, or do you want any more explanation? Do you want me to hold your hand and write everything? Is that what you want, DAV? Then do it yourself. Everyone want dairy milk, huh? Nobody want real chocolate.
Sir,
Yes, Sunshine, tell
I
me.
couldn't hear you properly, sir.
Sorry?
I can't hear you properly, sir. Before.
No, I was talking to others. You solve
Oh,
it.
okay, sir.
Sir, I solved it.
Who solved it?
Sir, Lokita.
DAV. Lokita.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
DAV got it. Okay, good. One more is there. Who is she? Your name?
Shakti, sir.
Shakti. Okay. You should have come to class. Anyway. Did you solve it, Shakti? Shakti. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
How many of you solved it? Lokita, you got this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
The
good,
same.
good. Lokita, did you solve using Venn diagram yesterday?
Sir, I couldn't
Did
understand.
you solve using Venn diagram yesterday? It was homework, right? That you have to solve using Venn diagram.
No, sir, I didn't complete that one.
Okay. Just Lokita, just wait for a minute and try to solve using Venn diagram. In Venn
Okay,
diagram,
sir.
you can assume elements like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you can use these elements to solve it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Try it. You just need to prove that A union B union C is this value. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Do that. Study you guys have not understood or what? Sunshine, you did it. You solved it. Okay, see everyone. This time, this is the final time I'm doing it. Okay. Sunshine. Please respond. Give me some response. They're disconnected or what? Lokita?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, you are there. So I'm doing it for one more time. Just see it properly and please stop me wherever you feel that you are not understanding. Okay, this is really
Yes,
important.
sir.
This is really important. See, when I'm talking to the tablet, that is I'm talking to you guys also. Okay. Okay, so what we need to find out is we have three different sets which are joined. Okay, A, B, C. Fine. Till so far, no problem. Okay, and we need to find N, A union B union C. Okay. Don't start copying first C. What is happening here? Now, what I'm saying that all together we cannot expand all in once. Okay. So how do we prove it? What I'm doing, I'm assuming let anything, even you can assume A union B or B union C or anything. It doesn't matter. What I will do, I'll assume B union C. Let B union C is equal to X. Fine. That means what I'm saying, there are two sets, A and X. Okay. A and X. Right now we have substituted B union C as X. Now we can now what will this become? This will become N A union X. Fine. So far, no problem. Okay. Now we know how to expand this. How do we expand this? Hari? Yes. NA plus NX. Very good. Next. Minus. No, it's intersection. A intersection. Sorry. A intersection X. See this part. This is the intersection part. Intersection means the common part. Okay. If I'm saying no, not now. A intersection X. All right. So that means if I'm saying X is present in A, that means X is also present in, okay, if I'm saying Y is present in A and Y is present in this part also, that means Y is also present in X. Okay. So it is and. So far, no problem. I don't think there is problem till here. Now what we will do, online guys, do you have any problems? Till this far it is okay, right?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now, see, we have assumed what? X is equal to B union C, right? So we will substitute it here. So X will be equal to, and this will be NA plus, and X is what? What is X? So speak up. What is X? Gosal Babu? Hey, open that. I'm not able to hear you. Yeah, what is it? B union C. See, I understand your concern, but please, okay, clear it. Okay, minus n. Just replace x with what? X is what? B union C. So far, everything is okay, right? Now we can expand this also. Now we have two sets. This one B union C. B C is there, right? Now we know how to expand this thing, right? So can we write it? And A will remain as it is plus. How do we expand B union C? Dreaming in class. Dreaming of what? Flying aeroplane. Okay, tell me. Pilot. How do you expand B union C? Like we expanded it here, no? A union X is equal to this. So how do you expand B union C? What happened? You're not understanding what I'm saying. We have to expand this union. We expanded it here, no? We know the formula how to expand it. So can we guys, can we expand this one? B union C? Yes, correct. And B plus X, where is X? See, we are expanding this one. How do we expand this? Just forget anything is there. Okay, how do we write N B union C? How do we write B union C? Huh? Tell me this. NB plus NC. See, B and C are two sets. We have done for A and B. Minus intersection C. Still, that means you guys are not studying in home at all. Not at all. See, this mathematics is all about practice. It's all about practice. I mean, any subject, anything, if you won't practice, you will not learn, especially mathematics. Because it's like that. This is correct. Do you guys have any problem in this? Fine, right? So I'll just write it here, this thing here, plus NC minus NB intersection C. I've written this, Now this part is left. I'll just write it as it is, or minus N. Now we can use distributive law here. Now tell me, using distributive law, what we can write. See, this is A intersection B union C. Where is distributive law? A intersection B union C. What is this? Louder. Yeah, like good morning, teacher, like that. I want that. Everyone, what is this? A. Okay. So this will be how we can write this. A intersection B union A. Sorry. What? A intersection C. Fine. Everything is good here. Now again, see, we can expand this. Again, we can expand this one. See, no, sorry, we won't be able to expand because it is intersection. We can expand union. We cannot expand intersection. Okay. Now here, can we expand anything in this formula? There. See, there is no union here. What we can do, we can assume this capital X. We can assume this capital Y. So again, this will be two sets X, Y. Got it? Understood this thing? So this is actually what? If we assume, so we have to write N X union Y. Fine. So I'll just substitute it here and I'll write this thing again. Wow, all questions we are doing it here. So this will become So this part, let's write as it is. NA plus NB plus NC, right? That's what we have now. Minus NB intersection C. Minus NB intersection C. Okay. Now I'm writing this part. Now I'm writing this portion. Okay, this portion I'm writing. So this will be minus N. Now this is X intersect N X union Y. So what will this become? X union Y. What is X union Y? Vishal Babu, you tell me. X plus Y minus X intersection Y. Fine. Any problem? Right? Now what is X here? A intersection B. What is Y? A intersection C. Just replace it here. Okay, I'm not going to write this all. I'll just write this thing. Minus. Okay, let's write NA plus NB plus NC minus NB intersection C. I just copied this thing. Okay, now I'm writing this part. Minus NX. Okay, so X is what? What is X? A intersection B. Yeah, C for cat. Plus Y is what? See, Y we have assumed A intersection C. A intersection C. Fine. Okay, minus X intersection Y. Now X is this. So A intersection B intersection with A intersection C. Fine. This is fine. I have followed each and every single step. Okay, so you cannot say you have problem or I have a gun ready pointed at your forehead. Vishal, are we still having problem? Yeah. Last part, this part. Which part? N? Which part? This or this? This part, X. See, X, we have assumed what? We have assumed this is X. So I just replace A intersection with, I have assumed, just let me write, X is equal to A intersection B and Y is equal to A intersection C. I just replace this here because that work is done. So instead of X, I'm writing A intersection B, and instead of Y, I'm writing A intersection C. I'm doing same thing here. Instead of X, I'm writing A intersection B. Instead of Y, I'm writing A intersection C. Yes, till now we haven't studied rocket science mathematics. So don't worry. Okay, so it's very easy actually. It's just the thing is you haven't practiced it. Okay, otherwise it will be easier. Believe me. We are just replacing nothing. We are not doing anything else. We are just replacing and using only one formula. That is this one. This one. Only this one I'm using everywhere. Okay. Now see this. Let's open the bracket now. Shall we? This is NA plus NB plus NC minus NB intersection C. I've just copied till this far. Now minus N A intersection B. I'm writing this part. Fine. Again, this is inside bracket, so this will be minus N. I'm writing this part. A intersection C. Right. Now this will be plus N. I'll write this complete. Okay. This is A intersection B union. Sorry, intersection. No? Intersection A intersection C. Fine. Now everything else is solved. We just need to understand this thing. Okay. Now let's make that set A, B. Okay. And so first it is A and B. So intersection means what? This part. Fine. Hari, you are understanding or not? So A intersection B is this part. Now A intersection C. Now let's make C here. Now A intersection C will, if this is C, so A intersection C will be what? This part. Fine. And we have to take intersection of these two. So what is common in these two? Which part is common in these two? Huh? Which portion is common in these two? Only this portion, no. Only this portion is common. So this portion is what? This is A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so this is this. So I'll just replace A intersection B intersection A intersection C with A intersection B intersection C. So I'll just replace it here, and this will become what? And A plus, keep telling, and B plus and C minus and A intersection B minus and A intersection C minus and B intersection C plus what? And A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C means that is common in all three sets. Okay, guys, those who are online, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this proof is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so now copy it. Now can you prove it yourself? It's easy, right? You
Sir.
just I have broken it into very small pieces. Now if you are saying that you are not understanding, that means still you need to practice it yourself once. At least once you should practice. See, never see the book, first try to do it yourself. If you are getting stuck, you take the help from book. Okay, Goshal Babu, still having problem? No? Close your eyes and tell me what is a union means. See, whenever you are replacing any variable with other variable, first use that variable. Then after that, if you cannot further expand that variable, then replace it with the previous variable what you have used. Okay? Are the words confusing? Yes, I know. Okay, because we have to solve it. Okay. Okay. This we have already used. I want the same video again so that we can do the practice. Okay. So guys who are online, we are going to re-upload this question paper so that we can solve these problems.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt? See, you have to use this and represent it. See, when we are writing set, just try to write capital letters. Because small letters we are using for elements.
Samsung notes better. Samsung notes. You can add this as an issue. So what you can do is you can go to Samsung notes and I understand. So maybe we can find a solution for this. Following யாராவது இருக்கா? Screen share ஆயிட்டு
So you will not be able
எனக்கு தெரியல ஐயா. ஓபன் பண்ணலாம் பட் அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவோம் முன்னாடி பேஜஸ் ஆட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவோம் முன்னாடி எம்டி பேஜஸ் நான் போய் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் ஆனா அது இருக்கு லேப்டாப் இன்னைக்கு மட்டும் வேற எதுலையாவது எழுத சொல்லுங்க இதுதான் பிரச்சனை back end of the close. எங்க இருக்கு
see the bigger this is brackets are very important. If you put one bracket, position of bracket, if you put error there, all your problem will be going. Whatever solution you have. First, if you are copying a particular So let me talk to them.
So right.
No, the thing is, I need that question first. Yes. Can you read? Okay. Okay. So we have to take care of that from next time. I need those problems. I will have. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So guys, those who are online, please be quiet. Guys, those who are online, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we faced some problem because the question paper that was uploaded, we were about to solve there, but I'll dictate the question and I'll solve
sir.
it. You guys can see from there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Someone is saying something.
Okay, sir. I told.
Okay. So, okay, done, everyone. So, did you guys proved it? Guys, online.
Online, sir. Yes.
Yeah, online people, you proved it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes, sir.
faced? See, the thing. Oh, yeah, what is this? Anyone faced problem? Anybody
sir.
faced?
No,
any-
sir.
Okay, cool. All right, so we'll start solving problem. I'll dictate it. Keep quiet. Quiet. Separately, guys. See, everyone solved this by yourself, right? Now you can do it by yourself. So do one thing, go home and just try it once more. Okay, one more time you do it, and I think you will be thorough with it. Okay, and we are not ending the class. We'll do problems. Hurry, you done? Show me. See, I will go instead of an X, you are already assumed X there. Now don't assume X and Y. Assume P and Q. Let's start. Okay. Write down. A market research group conduct a survey of 1,000 consumers and write it fast. Guys, those who are online, please write. A market research group conducted a survey of 1,000 consumers and reported that 720 consumers liked product A. Biology, don't. See, right now I am dictating, so please be quiet, everyone. Okay, I'll repeat, don't worry. When I'll repeat, just a market research group conducted a survey of 1,000 consumers and reported that 720 consumers liked product A. Write it fast, don't repeat. Write it fast. You are in 11th standard now. Right? Like flash. 750 consumers like product A. 720, yeah. Thank you. 720 consumers like product A and 450 consumers like product B. Guys, those who are online, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, I did it. What is the least number? What is the least number that must have liked product that must have liked both products? That
Can you
must have
repeat,
liked.
sir?
Yeah, I'll repeat it. What is the least number? What is the least number that must have liked both products? Everyone wrote the problem? Now, can anyone read it? That must have both A and B. Okay, that means everyone has got the problem right. Okay, so tell me how you will do it. What is given? What is given in the problem? A is given, B is given, and A union B is given. And what do you need to find? Then find it.
Sir, I found the answer.
What is the answer?
170 people.
170. Everyone got 170. So easy, right?
Yes, sir. I got also 170, sir.
Okay, good. So do you want me to solve it?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me solve it. And X is given how much? Let's say what is market? Okay, X is, let's say, set of all consumers. Okay, so X is all consumers. So how many consumers are there? 1,000. Fine. And product like 720. Okay. So let P, and P is also given. P is what? Set of consumer who like product A. Okay, so you can write NP or NA, whatever you want. Okay, so this is how much? 720. Okay, NB, that means consumers, those who like product B, is how much? 450, yeah. 450. Now what is X here? 1,000, right? So X is what? Suppose universal set it is. What happened? Why you guys are laughing? Something funny? Tell me. I'll also laugh with you guys. Okay. So X is the universal set, right? That is this. The complete everything, that is 1,000. That means N. What is A union B? is equal to nx. There, right? Because this is, if suppose this is A, this is B, but x is nothing outside. Outside nothing is given, right? There is nothing given. That means A union B itself is nx. Okay, so we know the formula, and A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus and A intersection. This is given 1000. This is how much? 720. This is 450 minus and A intersection. Fine. So this, how do you add page? Okay, so this will be N A intersection B will be 170. Everyone got this answer? So 170. Okay, write down next problem. So these are easy problems, right? Let's start from something. Okay. A survey shows that 63% of Americans are like Indians. A survey shows that 63% of Indians like chess. Whereas 76% like cricket. If X% of Indians like both chess as well as cricket, find the value of X. I hope everyone got the problem. Guys, you got the problem online?
Sir, yes.
Okay.
Sir, I found the answer.
What? You got the answer?
Sir.
You got the answer. That's what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
How much? What? How much is what's the answer?
39%.
39, sir.
What?
39%, sir.
39%. Okay, good. Anyone else? Everyone got 39%. Anyone? Any other answer? Okay, can someone repeat the problem? Yeah, tell me. Okay. Find X. So what is X? How many of you got 39%? Ari, you got 39%. Biology. Do it. Think twice. Huh? I don't know. Just think it twice. Guys who are online, just think it once more. What is missing? See, here it is given in percentage. Percentage cannot be greater than 100. So use that. That's the hint. What? Do it. How much you got? 39. How you solve it? How? What is your approach to solve this problem? Wait, one of you. What is A? Okay, kind of close. Kind of good. Approach is all right, but what is A and what is B? What is A? What is 650? Yes, you have to tell that. See, whenever you are solving problem in your exam, you have to mention what is A, what is B, what is X, what you are assuming. Okay, so let's write, let A, see this is how you are going to solve an exam. Let A be the number of Indians, right? What happened here? Okay, Indian who like chess. Okay, so NA is not given. The percentage of NA is given. Okay, and see this tablet is creating a lot of problems. Guys, those who are online, I'm really sorry. NA is again. How do you expand this? Where from you expand this? You
Sir?
can do it.
Sir?
No, nothing. Wait. Which one?
Sir?
On the top blue one, where well. But here I'm not able. This one you are saying, right? But just to set the screen, there should be some options.
Sir?
Yeah, I know that. I'm saying that there should be an option. No, see this, so you can drag, right?
Sir?
Yeah. Tell me.
I found the answer, sir. Is it 13%, sir?
13%. Okay, this is interesting. How you got it?
76 and 63, sir. I thought it would like overlapping on each other, so I just subtracted 76 from 63, sir.
See, you cannot directly subtract because it is given in 63%. It is not given 63. Okay, you have to understand this is given 63% NA. Like okay, let me solve this. Now let's say, now let's say B, those people who like cricket. Okay, so NB is how much? NB is 76%. This is correct only, right? NB is, that's what I said, no? 76%. Now what else is given? Like both. That's what is given in problem. Remember, this is percentage, not the actual number. Okay, that's the thing. You have to find the actual number. You have to find out. Okay, now I'll use some different thing. Now what we will do? See, percentage cannot be greater than 100. Either what you can do is assume that there are 100 people, and out of which 63 of them like what? Chess, and 76 of them like cricket, and X percentage of that likes both. Okay, you can do that. So let's assume. So can we assume like that? So total number of people will be. Let me again write here. Let 100 be total number of people. Okay. Why I'm taking 100? You can take any number. You'll get the same result. I'm just taking 100 for convenience because it's a percentage and it cannot be greater than 100. Okay. So this will be N A union B will be equal to what? 100. Okay. And this is, we know, NA plus NB plus, sorry, minus, right? Minus A intersection B, right? Now this N, this is in percentage. Actually, this is percentage and it cannot be greater than 100. So it must be lesser than or equal to 100. Got it? Now you substitute the value. Now substitute the value. And A you have, it has to be lesser than equal to 100. It cannot be equal to 100. Okay. Now do that. Not equal to 100 is greater than equal. Yes. So just substitute it. 63 plus 76 minus X, because X percentage it is given should be lesser than equal to 100. Okay, how much will be this? X, find the value of X. X should be lesser than equal to, here, how much it will be? Find X from here. You know how to solve it? First add these two. This is just equation, inequality. Solve it. Huh? 139? Achha, these two, if you add these two, 139. And if you subtract 100, how much you will get? 39, right? So 39 minus X should be lesser than equal to 0. Because I've subtracted 100, no? This side. So now X will go that side. So 39 must be lesser than equal to X. Am I correct? Is this thing clear or not? This 100. See, maximum percentage can be 100. It cannot be, people cannot be more than 100%. So that's what I'm saying here. Let 100%, let 100 be the total number of people. That means 100% be the total number of people. That's what I have assumed here. Okay, so I have total number of people means what? A union B, right? So I'm writing A union B, and it cannot be more than 100. It can be less than 100, but it cannot be more than 100. X should be greater than equal to 39. This is one part. Is this thing clear or not? Because X, because this value cannot be greater than equal to 100. That's why we are getting this. You guys have not solved inequalities yet, but I think it's there in your syllabus. Inequalities, it will come afterwards. Okay, so inequalities we will solve. That time this will all be again. It will be clearer. Okay, right now it is little blurry. But anyway, so this is how we solve inequalities. Okay, so X should be greater than equal to 39, but it cannot be also greater than 100, right? So what next? How you solve for that? What is the second part? Just read the question one more time and tell me. 39. That is 39. Why you will find 39% of 100? How? What you will get from there? No, why we are, because actual number of people are not given. We are assuming that it is 100%. Okay, because it is 100%. No? It can be 100% or union. It can be less than that. It cannot be more than that. That's the concept here. Percentage cannot be greater than 100. Like probability cannot be greater than 1. Probability, have you studied probability? No. Probability cannot be greater than 1. Because 1 means what? 100%. So anything, any percentage greater than 100 is absurd. Okay, it doesn't make sense. Anything is maximum. How much you are getting? 100%, even whatever the actual number be. Fine. So what? This is the lower limit of X. X must be greater than 39, but lesser than what? Why 100? Find out. Find out. X is greater than 39. This is the first part. What is the second part of this problem? 39. What you will get from there? Guys, those who are online, are you able to understand?
Sir.
Hello? Are you getting, do you understand this or not?
I understand it, but I am not getting anything, sir.
What?
Sir, I'm understanding it.
I'm
Doing wrong, sir. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, sir.
This thing you have understood till now, what is there on the board?
Yes, sir.
DAV girl,
Yes, sir.
you understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Why there is an inequality sign here?
So that one I couldn't understand properly.
See, A union means A union B is not given, right? It's not given in the problem. But actually, when there is a percentage, so percentage, any percent cannot be greater than 100. Fine. It can be percentage, anything can be lesser than or equal to 100. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I'm using here. It is lesser than equal to 100. Okay,
Yes, sir.
percentage. So this is the total number. So total percentage.
So the
is
final
always-
answer is 39 only, right?
X is greater. It should be greater than equal to 39.
Sir, how can it be greater than 13? Then the percentage will be like more than 100, right?
What? Percentage cannot be more than 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See the two. I am not. So let me add the page.
Sir, I got it now. I got it now, sir.
Wait. Okay. See those guys, those who are having problem. Let's first solve this problem. Okay. Where are pages here? Where? Okay. Can we write it here? Why it is adding new page? I have not used this before. Just a minute, huh? Come on. Full screen. That's it. Not coming full screen. That's yeah. Use laptop. Okay. Anyway, can we write here? No. I hate this. I hate this thing. Why the option keep disappearing? Come on. Where? Okay. Which options? Where is that screen right? Guys, just give me a minute. I'm not able to write it.
எங்க
I was trying to choose that. I have been.
About the students, sir.
Can we make sure that this kind of problems do not occur? The lesson, just add number of pages. So I don't want to do it. Got it? Thanks. Okay. Let's do it now. See. Percentage. Percentage of how do we do that? See, percentage cannot be greater than 100. This statement is clear. That's what we are using, and we are using inequality. That's how we are getting x is coming greater than equal to 39. But x now see here. What is x? X is A intersection B. X we are assuming what? A intersection B. Fine. That means x is a subset of A. Fine. And x is a subset of B. Okay. That means x cannot be greater than x has to be lesser than or equal to A, and x has to be lesser than equal to B. Understood this thing? So that's what we are going to use here. So which one is lesser? X. Now x A is how much? 63. B is how much? 76. So which one is lesser? 63, right? So x has to be lesser than 63. X must be lesser than or equal to 63. And we have already found x is greater than equal to 39. Because see, x is a subset of what? A, and x is a subset. Means x is inside A. X is a part of A as well as x is a part of B. So it cannot be greater than A, or it cannot be greater than B. Okay. So since A is the smallest number, so it has to be lesser than A. You are understanding this point? Oh, I'll kill this tab today. See, it's not me who is not teaching. This tablet, it's not allowing me. Guys, online, you understood this thing? See, if I'm making two sets, okay, this is A and B. People, those who like chess, people, those who like cricket. Okay, now let's write in terms of A, B, C, some variables I'm taking. Just try to understand what I'm saying. Here, we have this B. B is there. B already we have found that B has to be lesser than, sorry, B has to be greater than equal to 39. That we got. Fine. But you see here in this B, this intersection part, A intersection B, this should always be lesser than A, right? A intersection B, this has to be lesser than B. Maximum it can be equal to, but it cannot be more than that. Is this thing clear to you guys or not? Yes or no? So that's why B cannot be, B has to be lesser than or equal to 63, because 63 is the lesser number. If a number is less than 5 and it is also less than 4, that means it has to be less than 4. Fine. So that's why we are choosing the smaller number. Okay. If B was 55, so it will be lesser than 55. Okay. So that means B belongs to, in this case, in the above problem, x should be greater than equal to 39 and should be lesser than equal to 63. 63 is A and A. Okay. Understood? Yes or no? Why we are getting a range? That means x can vary from 39 to 63, because we are not given the exact number, right? We are just choosing percentage. Percentage cannot be greater than 100 and a subset cannot be greater than its set. We are using two concepts here. Now you understood this thing? Is this thing clear? Just go your home and practice this problem. I'll give a similar problem. Okay? Write down a similar problem. Guys, those who are online, have you understood or not? Those who
Understood,
are
sir.
online,
Yes, sir.
why it is lesser than 63? DAV girl?
Sir, can you repeat why it's lesser than 63? Sir,
Yeah.
because the percentage, they have not given the exact value. So,
So from there we got 39, but the 63 were from 63 came.
so the elements in A, set A.
See, yes. See, any subset, just write the statement, any subset. Wait. No, for them I have to write no. Any subset cannot be greater than its parent set or just right set. Understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why like I gave you that example, A and B, or just write X and Y. We are using A and B a lot, X and Y. So this value, this is what? This is, let's say this is
Intersection
Z.
Y.
Let's say this is Z. So Z cannot be greater than X. Z cannot be greater than Y. That means Z is lesser than X. Z is lesser than Y. That's the only concept we are using. One is this, and percentage is always lesser than or equal to 100. These two concepts we are using. Okay. Okay. Write down a similar problem. Oof. Too much. Okay. Okay. First, write down. Okay. Write down. In a class of 60 students, guys online, write down this problem. In a class of 60 students, 23 play hockey, 15 play basketball, and 20 play cricket. Yeah, 23 hockey, 15 basketball, 20 cricket. 7 play hockey, basketball. 7 of them play hockey as well as basketball. 5 of them play cricket as well as basketball. 4 of them play hockey as well as cricket. Okay, in a class of 60 students, 23 play hockey, 15 play basketball, 20 play cricket, 7 play hockey and basketball, 7 play hockey and basketball, 5 play cricket and basketball, 4 play hockey and cricket, and 15 students do not play any game. Okay, this is the statement I've given. Now write down the question. How many students play hockey, basketball, and cricket? This is number 1. Number 2, how many play hockey but not cricket? Write down. Second question is, how many play hockey but not cricket? Third question, how many play hockey and cricket but not basketball? Guys, you got the problem online?
Very
Those who are
complex, sir.
online? Shakti, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are Shakti or Shakti?
Shakti.
Okay. Okay, Shakti. Hari and she left. What's her name? DAV guy? You left. Okay, she left. I'll repeat the problem one more time. Okay. In a class of 60 students, 23 play hockey, 15 play basketball, and 20 play cricket. 20 play cricket. Okay. 7 play hockey and basketball, 5 play cricket and basketball, 4 play hockey and cricket, and 15 students do not play any of these games. Okay. Find first problem is how many play hockey, basketball, cricket. How many play hockey but not cricket? Third is how many play hockey and cricket but not basketball. Got it? Now do it. Got it? Second one. See, you have to find hockey, basketball, cricket separately. Idiots, listen. First question is how many play hockey, how many play basketball, how many play cricket. These are three separate things here. Not union, don't find the union. Okay, then find that means intersection you have to find. So how much you are getting? You are missing something. How many play hockey? 23. Guys, those who are online, are you able to solve it? See, number of people, those who play hockey is how much? Hari? How many of them play hockey? Nobody is saying, so I'll just hockey play 23 of them. Okay. How many play basketball? 15. How many of them play cricket? 20. These things are given. This is also given who is playing hockey as well as basketball, right? So this is how many people? 7, right? 15, no? 15 play basketball. Oh, okay, sorry. 7, yeah, correct. And again, those who play cricket as well as basketball, how many of them are there? Huh? 5. Those who play basketball and hockey. Hockey and cricket. Sorry, 4, right? Is it or not? Now do it. So all the information are already given, right? You need to find the union. Second one it is. See, one information is given that 15 of them, I think, 15 do not play anything. That means that's important. See, 15 of them are outside of these 3, right? That means if I make a Venn diagram of it, just understand here. See, these 3 people are there, those who play cricket, basketball, and hockey. So, and this is your universal set. And 15 belong outside of this, those who do not play anything, right? That means you are given this universal set, you are given this 15, which is outside. See, universal set is equal to 15 plus all this, right? All this. That means let's say M plus M. M is what? A union, B union, C. Okay, and that is H union, B union, C. Okay, so how do you find this M? U is also given in the problem. There are total how many? 60 students. 60 is equal to 15 plus N H union C union B. This is no H C B. Fine. So how much this is? How many? 40, 45. So now you got the union. You have all the elements. Now find the intersection. And first one. First, tell me the answer of first one. Huh? That is wrong. Understood or not? Yes or no? Understood or not? Matlab nahi. How do you scroll now? Where is the scroll button? Where is it hiding? So, okay, I'll make a very clear Venn diagram again. Okay, just see this. I thought you guys have understood Venn diagram, but seems like no. So this is those who play hockey, cricket, and basketball. All right, and there is a total. That means universal set. This complete is a universal set, and universally means total number of students are how much? 60. Now you need to find H union C union B. You need to find. This is not given. That this is how many students, total students play sports. These many students are there, but 15 of them do not play anything. So how many of them play anything, something? So this will be 60 minus those who do not play anything, 15. So this will be 45. Now can you solve it? How much? No. Now what you need to, what is NA union B union C? Tell me the formula. NA plus and C, yeah, let's write H, right? No, C is there already. Let's write H here. And C, okay, minus N H intersection B minus N H intersection C minus N what? B intersection C plus N what? H intersection B intersection C. H for hockey, B for basketball, C for cricket. As simple as that. Now this is given 45. You have just got this value. 45. You got it here, right? Is equal to NA is how much? H and H is how much? 23 plus NB is how much? 15 plus 20, right? This is correct. Minus 7, minus 5, minus 4 plus what? N H intersection B intersection C. So how much you will get? N H intersection B intersection C. How much you will get? Do the calculation. Don't do it in here. Do it on your notebook. Shakti, you got it?
Yes,
Sunshine,
sir.
how much? Sunshine,
Yes, sir.
how much you got?
I'm doing.
Okay. Just This is addition. 3 you are getting. How much you are getting? Hurry, do it. Dude. Sunshine, how much you got?
13.
30.
13.
Acha, 1 3.
Yes, sir. 1 3.
And do it again. This is wrong. Are 23 plus 15 plus 20 is how much? Huh? How much?
8, sir.
Huh?
58.
58. Okay, minus 7
That's
plus 5
56,
plus how much? 58. Yeah, 58. This is 16, right?
sir.
Plus N H intersection B intersection C. So this is how much?
42, sir.
right?
Oh, 3,
45
sir.
minus 42 is how much? 3. Shakti, you got it?
Miscalculations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is 3. So this is first. Second and third is your homework. Second and third is your homework. Second is how many play hockey but not cricket. Third is how many play hockey and cricket but not basketball. These two are homework. Tell me the answer. Galat hai, wrong. You need to find NH minus. Do it. Whew. So I'll stop here. Okay. I think there are too many problems to solve. You just go and solve this A intersection, A union B union C. This you go and solve it once in your home, and then you start solving problems. Solve all the problems in NCERT. All the problems in NCERT, then you go for that study material. Always first solve NCERT. If you are stuck in NCERT, don't go with that. First solve NCERT. Okay, that is very good. Understanding? Sunshine, Sakti.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the thing is, you guys should try to come to class. Okay, Sunshine, understand it.
Sir.
Try to come to class because my most of the energy is directed towards the tablet. So, what problem do you guys face while coming to class? You have school time. So, he is in your school. So ask her to come here, okay, so that we have 2 more classes this week, right? Good. No, we'll have 1 more class because last week we hadn't had any class. We just want to finish this set in this week, okay, so that we can start another chapter. And believe me, we have done more than enough sets. Because most of the thing, I think this they are not going to cover in your school. I think so. I am not very much sure for 3 sets they are going to cover it or not. But it is they will cover it. Is there? They covered it. Sets is completed in your school, not in your school. So, okay. Yeah, relation and function. It's very important chapter actually. That's why I just want to finish this off, and I think this is more than enough problems. I'll give you some problems in homework. I'll make a sheet of that, and you try to do that. Okay. Like test. You guys have test when? Where? Here you want to take test of this chapter? Yeah, it's fine. See, the thing is, if you take test, it will, the test will tell you where you need to improve. Okay. So it's better to score low here and high in your exam, in your actual exam. it's okay. It's always okay. So that I can also understand where I am making mistake, that where I think that you guys have understood, but you haven't actually. But you guys just won't tell me and shake your hand. Yeah, I've understood. This thing happens. I know, but don't do that. Don't do that. If suppose you are not understanding, we'll go little slow. Okay, we won't go that fast. I'm trying to go fast every time, but somehow your fly break all the time. Like this union, we have done it the third time in class, right? So you have to do it at least once by yourself. If you are listening, Sunshine, right? Try
Sir.
to come here. Okay, try to come here. Can you come tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I will come tomorrow. Sir.
If listen, if coming early is a problem, then what we can do, we can shift our class by half an hour. Okay, is that okay? I'll personally drop each and every one of you in your home. Will that be okay? Is that the problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
That's not the problem for you girls. Is that the problem? You live
No,
here
sir.
only, don't you? Huh?
No.
You live beside her. Okay, and you? Fine, no? So try to come to class. See, the thing is, we'll have more interaction, you'll understand it properly, and we can discuss what problem actually we are facing. Okay? I'll lie down here. Okay, okay, Sunshine, thank you very much for joining. And Shakti, obviously,
Thank you, sir.
DAV girl is not here, but just give her a from my side. Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. Ask. You are her classmate? You are her friend? Okay, ask her to come. Okay, come to the class. Okay, so that will be all. I will get out. No, I won't give you the answers, just sorry. Zero, I don't think so, but I'll have to solve that. Solve it. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you very much. Try to come to class. One minute. Okay. This is the reward that I received. I need to why I get electrical. Try to solve it here. I think basket you take, get 20 and give it the rest. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully you like this video finish. Will you come? Yes. But mask. See, don't worry. How many of you feel like an active I just want to know. Well, I want to understand. No, no. Step by step, we'll learn. In the beginning, this I'm also interacting with you guys. I don't know how you guys. I'm telling you also, you have this kind of problem. You will cover it. Just go to the problem. If you are not understanding the problem, let me know. And I can do more problems in lesson or less. These are how one problem we can discuss. Always insects move to the net. If you are having a problem, make it. And with the net. Give some elements, A, B, C, D, all the boxes. If we do that, we'll be able to solve it. We logically understand what is the meaning of A minus B? What is the meaning of A union B minus C? That is also one thing. What is A minus B? So if you will understand from that box, so hopefully you guys will try that. I'll keep up another Please show your face. Arvind,